So you've come to my channel to figure out how to make some extra little cash during COVID-19. Well, I have your problem right here. All you gotta do, put on this little mask. Nah, do not do that. Do not do this. This is a paintball mask because I didn't have a ski mask. So do not do that. Do not go, do not go rob anybody. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I've never really done one of those skits before. I don't want anybody to go out and rob anybody. That is not what I'm saying. Do not do that at home. Do not do that at home. Let me say it one more time. Do not do that at home. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. All you have to do is, I think it's on one of these corners. All you have to do, this corner, I think. All you have to do is hover over it and click subscribe. If you guys did not know, I believe 90% of you, maybe it's, no, I'm getting the numbers wrong. I think it's 60% of you are not subscribed to my channel, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you guys know exactly when I post. I post every other day. I don't have a schedule as long as it's every other day, so just expect every other day. Alright guys, let's get right into today's video. Today's video, you guys already know, it is about making some extra money while we are all stuck at home in quarantine. So let's get right into that. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, this video is going to be all about affiliate links. Now if you are, I believe, let's see, like one, as long as you have an iPhone, that is all you need. You can do it on Android, iPhone. Hold up, let me unplug it from the charging cord. All you need is an iPhone. You can do it, anything you need to do. Alright guys, so let's just get over here. The app is called Addedinfluence. All you have to do is open up the app. Alright, here we go. Just wait for it to load. Takes a little bit. Sorry about that. All you have to do is open up the app. Okay, now you see in the past, since January 2nd, 2020, that's a long time ago, I have earned 12 cents. Yes, that's not that much, but you see this, top retailers is Macy. I will be having a recording just of, you know, everything that I'm doing just so you guys can totally see it. But here we go. I know my name says Jeffrey. I didn't want to put my real name just because, I don't know, I don't like putting my real name on stuff. So that's the kind of thing that I use. So all you have to do is you just click over here and then see these are the things that I have put. So all you have to do is go to your stats. All you have to do, okay, you take a picture, all right? We're going to, let's just take a picture of this pen, all right? So we take a picture of the pen. Once we've taken a picture of that pen, we click the send button. The keyword is pen, all right? We're just gonna look up pen, and all you have to do, look, now we have a bunch of pens, all right? Look, we have this ballpoint pen, we have you know, a bunch of eyeshadow crap. I'm not a girl, so I don't use that kind of stuff. But then let's just click on this ballpoint pen. So you click on the ballpoint pen, okay? And then you click on our pick. You could do your pick or our pick. And then all you have to do is click share. Once you click share, anybody that clicks on your link, you will get paid. That is called affiliate links. So let's get a little bit into affiliate links. That's a little bit messed up right now. We're gonna kind of like redo that whole section so that it looks good. But affiliate links is so when you click on Amazon, it just says amazon.com/, right? If I had an affiliate link, it would say amazon.com/ I don't know, it'd be like a random number, like let's just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and if somebody goes to that link and buys something, then Amazon knows that I led them there, okay? And that means Amazon's like, oh, this person's getting traffic to our website, let's give him some money. Okay, it's not a lot, you know, you're not getting paid thousands of dollars, you're not getting paid millions, you're not getting paid sometimes even hundreds, sometimes you only get paid like a few dollars per click, sometimes you only get paid cents per click. I think I had like 5 clicks since January. I haven't done it much since January just because 2020 has been all over the place, but that doesn't matter. We're not talking about that right now. Let's see. Okay, yes. During quarantine, you have nothing else to do. I know you have plenty of things around your house. Literally, like right now, you take a picture of one of these books, all you have to do is find a book that fits just like it that somebody else is selling, and then you just put it on your Instagram story. If you have Snapchat, your Snapchat story. I don't know if it does TikTok or whatever, but then if someone clicks on it from your bio or they slide up or whatever, then and they look, even if they look at it, you get paid. Now, I think this is super duper easy, guys, and like literally it's so much better than going to rob somebody. Like, do not do that. I'm just gonna stop bringing it up. That was stupid. But literally, I said literally like a lot lately. That's not good. We're just gonna start doing it. But I have one of, these are AirPods. I would say a lot of people I know have AirPods. AirPod Pros, AirPod regular. I posted one of these onto my story, like, oh, come get some cheap AirPods. They, I think they were like on sale. They were like $80. This is a few months ago, so like the AirPod Pros weren't out yet. So it was a while ago, maybe like September or something like that. And I got like 10 clicks just off of it, and I think like one person bought it, which that made me like $5, $10, I think, which for a little kid or a teenager, that's a good money. Anybody can do this. All you have to do is download the app. I'll have a video of how to do it. Just, go to the App Store, go to the, is it Google Play Store, I think? Yeah, just go to the Google Play Store, click download, and then sign up, do all that, and you'll be good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked it a little bit better than yesterday's. Yesterday's was kind of odd, I guess, but I had fun making today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.